Welcome. If you're looking to free up space or simply want to manage your files more efficiently, knowing how to disable offline access for Google Drive files on your mobile device is essential. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off the available offline option for any file in your Google Drive app. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Drive app. Make sure you're signed in with the account where your files are stored. Once you're in, browse or search for the specific file you want to remove from offline access. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a PDF, or even a photo. Next, look for the 3 vertical dots right next to the file's name. This icon opens the options menu for that file. Tap on it to see a list of actions you can take. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Available Offline. If this option is highlighted or switched on, it means the file is currently stored on your device for offline use. To disable this, simply tap on Available Offline. The highlight will disappear, and the file will no longer be accessible without an internet connection. Don't worry. This doesn't delete the file from your drive. It just removes the offline copy from your device, freeing up space and keeping your storage organized. If you want to double-check, you can tap the menu icon in the upper left corner of the app. Go to Offline, and make sure the file no longer appears in your offline list. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you can easily manage which files are available offline and keep your device running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more helpful tech tips.